Hey everyone! Welcome back to Social Tool 101. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to generate a QR code right inside Microsoft PowerPoint using a free add-in. Let's jump in. First, open the PowerPoint slide where you want to insert the QR code. In the Home tab, you will find Get Add-ins. Click that, or you will find it in Insert tab as well. This will open up the Office add-in store. In the search bar, type QR for Office. That's the name of the add-in we'll be using. Click Add, accept the terms, and it'll be added to your PowerPoint. Once installed, the QR for Office pane will appear on the right. You can now enter the URL or any text you want to turn into a QR code. For example, let's paste in my YouTube channel link. You can customize the code size, color, and even error correction level. Once you're happy with the settings, click Insert. The QR code will now appear on your slide. You can move it around, resize it, or copy it to another slide. And that's it! You've just created a QR code in PowerPoint using QR for Office. Simple and effective for presentations, flyers, or sharing links quickly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to Social Tool 101 for more easy tech tutorials.